Hello. Okay, I am trying to set up my Sennheiser MKH-416 microphone with a GOXLR Mini, both of which I've purchased and have arrived today. And it sounds fucking shit. We're on 50 decibels of gain at the moment. So yeah, this is how it sounds on 50. If I turn it up, it only gets worse. That's 60. I won't talk at 70 because it's even worse. So that's 40. We'll go down. That's 35. That is 30. My voice isn't even registering on here now. Turn it down to 20. Turn it down to 10. We'll turn it all the way down just so you can hear how it kind of creeps in. And according to this, my voice should be in the good range, where it's just about going into good now. If I put it on 50, then it's kind of good almost. But any more than that, and I've got these little bars here still lit when I'm not making any noise. But essentially, what the fuck am I doing wrong? I've got an expensive mic which should sound incredibly good. I'm coming from a Blue Yeti, which I thought sounded pretty good. And tragically, it sounded better than this does. And that setup cost me about £1,000 less than this one. So yeah, if anyone has any idea what I'm doing wrong, what I should be doing to try and fix this, please write in the comments, because I'm about to fucking smash a lot up. Thank you.